Hi, I'm Jim Jordan, speaking to you from Eugene, Oregon. And today I want to start talking to more people about the importance of law in our lives and the importance of understanding our rights as citizens. And my background is I was a lawyer early in my first career, and I was very disillusioned with law. It didn't seem that truth was the most important thing, and I had a health crisis. I got into natural healing to get myself better, and I left law early by my early 30s and pursued a career in natural healing. But over the years, I've still been really in love with law and what its purpose is. So let's start that the education I want to offer people is for just the average person, not lawyers, law students, just any person, is what place does law have in our lives? What is our position as individual citizens in the system? And how can we improve our society by understanding law and owning our position in society? So to start with, what the first question is, what is the purpose of law? Why do we have laws? What is the function of it? So from my view, it's to help create a prosperous, just, fair society where there's justice done, where there's peace, there's prosperity, we can fulfill ourselves and reach our highest potential. And when we have a system that supports that, that's a good system. That's what we want. And we have a system that doesn't support that. If people are indebted all the time, if there's corruption and injustice and a structural imbalance where the elite and wealthy have disproportionate influence in law, and people have a hard time getting businesses off the ground because of regulations that control us. And that's not good. That's not leading to our fulfillment or happiness, peace, and prosperity. So the first step is, what is the role of law? And that is to create a better society. And that can be done in our society, through basically understanding the Constitution and the origin of our legal system, which is, number one, common law. Prior to the Constitution was English common law as the foundation of our legal system, and common law rights. And the common law obligations, the right to contract, to make agreements to make an agreement for something that's in your interest to do. So the state does not have the authority to limit your right to contract. And to do no harm to others. If you hurt a person, if you rob them, if you break a deal, a contract with them, you're responsible. So with rights comes responsibilities. And so this first video is just introduction to the concept of law and how it can apply to our lives now and make a difference. I taught a legal course for some years, legal education for the natural health care practitioner, and I think now it's a time to bring it more out to the general public. So you'll be getting more of these video updates and blogs and offers for educational programs and consulting in the near future. Okay, wishing you a wonderful day. Bye-bye.